back to my channel Tech Guru. Today I'll be discussing about these jumper wires and how to use them. So let's get started. So the jumper wire comes in three different categories. The first one is male to male. You can see here. Why it is called male to male is because of these pins. You can see. The second category is male to female. You can see this. There's one side pin and another side no pin. That's why it's called male to female. The third category is the female to female. So there is no pin at all. That's why it's called female to female. So the uses are the male to male goes right inside the female socket. As you can see here, one example is in breadboard. The male to female is used to go in one of the socket and another in any device. Like you can see here, I've used these jumper wires in my stealth spy vehicle. It's a project which I've been working on. If you want to know how to make this, you can comment down below. So you can see here, this is female. So it goes right inside the pin. And the third one is female to female. These also goes right inside the pin from both the ends. So that was all from the video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment and share. And I'll see you guys next time.